Hey folks, welcome back to the Backyard Railroader. Well, I haven't done a video for a while, so I figured I'd do a short video. Train hasn't really been running, the track needs to be cleaned, but I'm doing some maintenance on the railway, so I'll show you the maintenance and maybe I'll get a train running. We'll see. So let's check it out. Okay, one of the first things I'll be doing is this blue wire pulled out of the socket when this pipe water line for my fountain, it blew apart and shifted. It pulled on the wire, which was zip tied to the pipe. I just gotta actually put it back in place. Alright, that should have it. On to the next. Okay, so this one should be an easy fix. I'm just going to do this lamp pole. I'm just going to hot glue it right back into place. Take some of this stuff out of the way. And I'll just hot glue it right back there. Got my glue gun. Let's see, we'll put some of it here. And there, one more thing fixed. Unplug that. And this one here's got a little bit more to it with the broken bridge, so I'm going to take the whole thing right out and completely fix it. I got all these pieces that I got to put back together. I got this piece and more pieces. And this bridge. So I've got this part of my track here, which is too high, and my cars keep uncoupling when they come out of the tunnel. So I'm going to try and clean up some of the debris around the track and that, see if I can get it to lower a millimeter or two. And to do that, I'm going to use my shop vac. Any better. So now I'm cleaning my track. I'm just using warm water and dish soap. The dish soap seems to clean it up pretty nice. On the rough areas I still use the lemon juice, but on the majority of my track I find that just dish soap and the blue scrub pad just takes off all the gunk. My track is under a pine tree, so a lot of the gunk is sap and stuff like that. I also get a lot of bird poop. Plus with the warm water and the connections, you can just kind of soak it over the connection. Get the water down in there to help wash out some of the dirt and grime. I'll give this a wipe and you'll see how it's coming up. There we go. This gives me something to do. I like working in the garden, doing some maintenance, just playing with the trains. Well, there you go, folks. I've done some maintenance on the track. I've got my train running barely. Still got more maintenance to do on the track, as you can tell. I've fixed a few sections, found some broken clips, fixed some of the lights, cleaned some of the track. I got a lot more track to clean. Oh boy. But that's the start of the year and it's expected. So remember, folks, keep the hobby alive and talk about trains. Stay safe and we'll see you later. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.